Hi everyone. Today's video is about a kind of data entry job opportunity. This is a full-time remote job opportunity and this is a worldwide role. The company's name is Scribe that offers the various remote job opportunities. And here is the company's website. The company mainly offers staffing solutions and Scribe offers remote staffing solutions. Now here is the job opportunity. Here in this role, you're not required to have much of the experience. You so anyone, either fresher or experienced, can apply for the job. Now let's check out about the job details. The job profile's name is Medical Scribe. Here it is mentioned that the company is looking for a detail-oriented and dedicated remote medical scribe to join healthcare team. The ideal candidate will accurately document patient encounters in real time, assisting healthcare providers by managing EHR, that is electronic health records, and ensuring the highest quality of patient care. And this position offers the flexibility to work from home while making a significant impact on the efficiency and effectiveness of medical services. So here you will be entering data related to patients and you will be maintaining electronic health records. Now let's check out about the skills and requirements that the company is looking for. So here the company has the company is looking for someone with the previous experience as a medical scribe or in a healthcare setting. So that person will be preferred. However, it is not required. So if you are a fresher, you can still apply for the job. And here, familiarity with medical terminology and EHR systems is a plus. You should have excellent typing and transcription skills, strong attention to detail and accuracy. Proficiency with EHR systems and general computer literacy is required, and effective communication and interpersonal skills. And you should have ability to work independently and manage time efficiently. If you have certifications for medical scribe specialist, you will be preferred. However, it is not required, and HIPAA certification is preferred. These are some certifications that medical scribe usually do. However, for this role, the company is not looking for uh, a lot of experience. So if you are fresher, you can still apply for the job. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that you can expect while working as a medical scribe at Crewbloom, while working as a medical scribe. So here you need to document patient encounters. So you have to So you need to accurately and efficiently transcribe medical histories, physical examinations, diagnosis, procedures, and treatment plans during patient visits. You need to update and maintain patient records in EHR system, ensuring all information is complete and accurately recorded. And you need to do real-time data entry for like patient information into the EHR system, and you will be communicating with physicians, nurses, and other healthcare staff to ensure seamless patient care and accurate documentation. You will be reviewing and editing patient charts for completeness and accuracy, ensuring all documents, ensuring all documentation meets regulatory and compliance standards. You will be handling patient information with the utmost confidentiality and in compliance with HIPAA regulations. You will be performing various administrative tasks as needed to support the healthcare team, including scheduling appointments and managing correspondence. And simply, they have simply explained the job roles. Now, here is the system requirements. So, because this is a work from home remote opportunity, there are certain system requirements that they are looking for. So, your main internet speed should be at least 15 Mbps, while 10 Mbps for backup. You should have either a desktop or a laptop with i5 processor with at least 8 GB RAM and an i3 processor for backup. Backups should still be able to function when there's a power interruption. You should have a webcam, noise cancelling USB headset, quiet dedicated home office, smartphone. So these are all the requirements for. These are simple requirements that remote workers are expected to have. In addition to the remote job and work from home benefit, the company, here are certain benefits that the company has listed. So yeah, you can check out the benefits like you will be joining a dynamic team and you will have the opportunities, seize daily chances to learn, innovate and excel. make a real impact in your world. Then here, you will have limitless career growth opportunities, fast-paced thrills, flexibility. So here, like embrace the freedom to work from home or any location of your choice. Create your ideal work environment. So this is the real benefit that you would be having while working from home or anywhere. And here you will be having work-life balance because you will not be required to commute anywhere. So yeah, if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, check out the details. And here is the job application that you can fill. Like this is a simple job application that you can fill up by providing your name, email ID, phone number, photograph. You can upload your photograph here, Skype ID, provide your Skype ID. This is simple to make. If you already have a Skype ID, you can provide. Otherwise, you can create a Skype ID and country where you reside, and then upload your resume, skills, then tools, and how soon. They're asking that how soon you can start. Do you have prior commitments that would require you to make a leave in the next 6 months? And what is your previous rate? Like you need to provide here, you can provide here the compensation rates in US dollars and what is expected. And then are you amenable to work during US hours? You need to provide that. And are you willing to use a time tracking tool? And then upload the technical specifications of your main device and then backup device. And then about internet connection, you have to you have to provide a speed test. You can take the speed test of your main internet connection and backup internet connection, and then take the screenshot and then paste them into a Word file and then upload here and then submit the application form. So this is a simple application form that you can fill up, and so yeah, go ahead and if you believe that this could be a good opportunity for you, check out the role and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.